UOM and AMBS Alumni Association Singapore, together with Methodist Welfare Society and Food Bank, came together today to put together a charity drive for our Manchester Day of Action 2025. Total of 36 volunteers, we were able to put together 3,850 Singapore dollars and having 100 food bundles where we were able to contribute to the seniors and elderly. We held a mini carnival for these senior citizens and elderly.
On understanding the broader initiative, the Manchester Day of Action being a global event organised by the University of Manchester to volunteer for their local community, I felt this was a very meaningful way for me to also contribute.
I feel it's a great initiative for everyone to have a chance to take a look at ourselves on the inside. It's a great chance for us to reach out to the community around us, because a lot of times we get caught up in work, we get caught up in life, and we tend to forget about giving back to society.
The university has given us a lot throughout our education, as well as helped us in moving forward with our career. So this is an opportunity for us to be able to make a difference.
The Singapore Alumni community, even though it's small, is actually a very vibrant one. So in an event like today's, for example, it was a great opportunity to reconnect with alumni I've not seen for a long time, get to know new people, and it was very invigorating to see the energy that every alumni brought to the event. Everyone came here with the idea of doing their part to contribute and as well getting to know each other.
Challenge accepted.
Challenge accepted.
Challenge accepted.